Back at the firehouse. You can see today we already have the sheetrock back up. Texture is on the wall. Got the special kind of waterproof, water resistant everywhere that is appropriate. Got the doors. Here's the prep area, paint area. Don't worry, this is not witchcraft. This is actually just a string holding the doors up so that they can be painted. Pretty neat little trick there. As you can see, nice straight lines on all the drywall. Quality Sherwin-Williams paint, only the best. Sneak through here. Yeah, we got guys in here. They're all hiding outside, but they're putting all new trim molding. Look at that, all new moldings. Isn't that pretty? Get it caulked in, ready to go. Got another workstation over here. Bathrooms over here getting done. So you get everything taped off so that we don't get overspray on anything. Floors are still looking great. This is nice industrial cardboard style paper. Does really well. And the blending on this is immaculate. As you can see, this is only a 2-foot cut right here. Blended immaculately. Look at that. Nice. Come in here. This room's already got a single coat of paint thrown on it. That's how we roll. Windows blocked off. Got the nice plastic in the middle so that we can still see. Floor covered. Bathtub covered. Vanities pulled. It's looking good. So essentially, this is a make ready. Except it also has some fire damage. So I guess you could consider it like an upgrade. Like if you didn't like the kitchen cabinets, you wanted to upgrade the doors, paint them. Got to come through and do quite a bit of prep work just to make sure that they look chef's kiss perfect when they're done. It's coming along nicely. If you got any questions and you need help, feel free to reach out. I have a great team of guys. This construction crew is amazing. And we have all the different trades that you might need to make things happen for yourself, for your project. Feel free to give us a call. Feel free to reach out. My email is thevahalaVentures, reguideservice.com, or reiguideservice.com. And I will be more than happy to give you a free project evaluation. Already got a nice wet paint on the door. Stay away from that. And we'll take a look at your project, see if there's something we can do to get your place upgraded, get your fire, water damage fixed. Sell me your property. Let's do what we need to do to make it so that you feel comfortable. All right? All right. Have a great day.